dears, good morning. Warm welcome to Ideal and Others Vidyalaya online class. Subject Social Science, Class 4th, Unit 1st. Title Kingdoms of Rivers. Today we will learn more details about kingdoms of rivers. Okay. What is mean by kingdom? Kingdom means a country that is ruled by a king or queen. Have you seen the river? Say yes or no. Yes. Very good. Okay. River means a large natural flow of water that goes across land and into the sea. What are the kingdoms of rivers? In the ancient period, people settled and started living along the river banks. They produced agricultural crops. They reared cattle in the pastoral lands. In this way, the kingdoms of early Chera, Chola, Pandya and other kingdoms emerged along the river. Do you know how many kingdoms are ruled in our Tamil Nadu? At the beginning of the Common Era, South India and Sri Lanka were home to 3 Tamil dynastic chiefdoms or kingdoms, each ruled by kings together called Moovendar. Do you know Moovendar name? The Chera, Chola and Pandya. Say Moovendar name. Chera, Chola and Pandya. Very good dears. Today we discuss about Cheras and Cholas. Now we discuss about Chera king. The Chera dynasty was one of the 3 major kingdoms of Tamilagam and ruled over the present day state of Kerala and to a lesser extent parts of Tamil Nadu in South India. The first Chera dynasty ruled from 300 BC to 300 AD in the Sangam era, and another dynasty from the 9th century AD onwards. BC means before Christ. AD means Anno Domini. Cheras were the foreigners of the Moovendarkal who ruled on the banks of river Poigai, and their capital city was Vanji. Poigai Dam, they constructed in the year 2000, is serving water for irrigation purpose around the area. Poigai Dam was constructed near Aralvaimoli. The emblem of Cheras bow and arrow. Cheras are the ancient rulers of South India. They are prominent in history as two dynasties ruling in two different eras. The major part of the Cheranadu was surrounded by high mountains. The greatest rulers among the kings of Cheranadu were Imayavarman Nedunjeralladan and his son Sengutuvan. They also greatest rulers of Cheranadu kings. The Chera king Nedunjeralladan conquered up to the Himalayas and hosted the flag with the symbol of bow and arrow. Therefore, he was held with the title Imayavarman Nedunjeralladan. The able ruler Cheran Sengutuvan, the son of Nedunjeralladan, erected the statue of Kannahi. This temple of Kannahi was built by the stones brought from the Himalayas after defecting King Kanahavijaya. It is also said that the stones were brought to Cheranadu on the heads of the captive soldiers. The Chera country comprised of the present western district of Erode, Tirupur, Coimbatore and Nilagiri. Kerala was also a part of it. The Chera country was called Cheranadu. Dears, we will remember this topic. Listen all of you. The Cheras river was Poigai. The capital city was Vanji. The port was Dondi and Musiri. The flag symbol of bow and arrow. Is it clear all of you? Okay. Dears, now we are discuss about Chola king. Are you ready? Very good. Dears, do you know who is the first king of Tamil Nadu? During the 1st to the 4th century, the early Cholas ruled the lands of Tamil Nadu. The first and most important king of this dynasty was Karigalan. Who is the greatest kings of Tamil Nadu? The greatest kings of the Chola dynasty, Rajaraja Cholan, Karigala Cholan and Rajendra Cholan. Karigala Cholan took responsibility of a king at a very early age and ruled efficiently. Dears, do you know why he was called Karigala Cholan? The room in which he was arrested was set on fire. In this fire accident, his feet burned. Due to his cherry leg, he was called as Karigalan. The Cheras and Pandyas together attacked Karigalan at Venni Vahipirundalai. Finally, Karigala Cholan defeated the two rulers. Dears, do you know who built Kallanai Dam? He invaded Sri Lanka and brought the captives from there to build the dam Kallanai across the river Kaveri. The dam still stands erected even after 2000 years of its construction. Dears, listen. The Chola River, Kaveri. The capital, Urayur. Port, Kaveri Pumpattinam. The flag, tiger. The Chola kingdom comprised the districts of Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Pudukottai, Nagapattinam, Ariyalur and Kadalur. Dears, listen. The Chola River, Kaveri. The capital, Urayur. The port, Kaveri Pumpattinam. The flag, tiger. Dears, now homework time. Do this today homework